2, 1.
Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's World. Welcome to a surprise vlog right from the ASUS ROG exclusive store right here in CTC. And this is my brand new laptop. You guys know I've always been an ASUS ROG fanboy, and my trusted partner when it comes to creating content has been ASUS all along. I still have my first ROG series laptop that was with me throughout my Ladakh series while I was creating content on the go. And then of course we had the gaming PC, Macbook Pro, and now yes, back to Windows. And this is the new weapon, our new power machine. It's an absolute beast, the ROG Strix. And going by the specs, let's see what all we get. We get a 300 Hertz display, can you believe it? So it's going to be really vivid. The color accuracy is going to be great, and this gets the RTX 3060 graphic card. So hoping that the video quality is going to come out next level. And apart from that, 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB NVMe M.2 storage SSD. So first unboxing right here, and this comes with Windows and Microsoft pre-installed. So let's unbox this beast. And thanks to the store staff for allowing me to shoot this unboxing here. Here we have the accounts person, and there is Sai. And yeah, we've been a continuous visitor here. We love the new launches. The ROG Flow Z13 is an absolute innovative kind of a step in this space as well. But for now, let's not waste any more time. Let's open this up, and here we go. You can come closer. Here it is, rising away to glory, the ROG logo right here, which has been a symbol of precision and performance, taking performance to a completely different level. Looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? ROG Strix G15. And yeah, it's all about raising your game, taking it to a completely different level. 300 Hertz, 3 millisecond response rate, and yeah, the ASUS Aura Sync to light it up. And then you have liquid metal thermal compound for thermal efficiency, cooling the kind of beast down for extreme performance, and 100-watt Type-C charging for super fast charging, Dolby Atmos crystal clear surround sound, and you have all the latest tech packed into this one. And we'll just put it aside for now. Let's see what else do we get here. We get the literature, and I believe we get the charger as well. Okay, here is the charger, charging brick, and the charging cable. So that's pretty much it. We'll just put this aside. Let's unpack this. This is going to give a really satisfying feel. Got to be really careful. This is super expensive. Oh, peeling this plastic off gives a very satisfying feel. We have a lot of thermal vents here to cool the for optimized airflow. And let's now open this up. This is how it looks. And wow, overclocked is what it says. 8 cores for optimized performance. NVIDIA RTX series Ryzen 9 for top of the line performance. Ready for the first boot up? Wow, gotta capture that, man. The RGB keyboard is super lit. Dedicated keys and dedicated RGB lighting for every key on the keypad. Whoa, that sequencing looks super kick-ass. Wi-Fi 6 certified. And yeah, this is a big moment for ROG fanboys like me, and owning my dream performance beast when it comes to gaming or video editing. So this is next level stuff. Even the hinges are super strong. You can have a look. The hinges are really strong, and the entire chassis structure is very well built. What a feeling, man. and look at the atmosphere here. It is typically gamers, den you can call it. Wow, the lighting, the feel, and you have all the laptops to be experienced, kind of a first-hand experience for all true gamers. Good that they have set up a proper gaming experience here.
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
Okay.
I'm here to help. A little sign in here, set up your Wi-Fi there. Have your PC
The seats are looking amazing. Hope these seats are on sale as well. Sai Amutara, seat. Chairs not for sale. Huh?
Not for sale, but we can steal one.
Okay guys, so this was a surprise, sudden, spontaneous unboxing video of my new ASUS ROG G15 Strix model. This is a 2021 model and the price is around 1,40,000 depending on how you bargain. Maybe you can get it for a lower price, but the problem is that the supply issue is really affecting the availability of these products. Hence they are really quoting higher prices. But if this availability is easy and it's easily available, these ASUS ROG series are in high demand and the supply is kind of restricted, and that's why they kind of try to bargain for a better price. But if you are getting a good deal, then go for it. I bought it for 1,40,000 and I'm coming from MacBook Pro. Now you guys know that I've been an ROG fanboy. I've mentioned that I've had the ROG series, the initial model, maybe 2018 or 19 model, and 18 model to be precise, and it really served me well. And then in 19 I bought a gaming PC which also served me well. It had Ryzen 7 processor and the AMP edition GTX 1060. Yeah, so the graphic card is what plays the main role in when it comes to video editing, rendering the colors, the video rendering happening properly. This one, you won't believe, the rendering happens just like that. Even 4K videos take around 8 minute or less than 10-minute video takes around 3 to 4 minutes to render. That's how fast it is. So the render time really comes down when it comes to the ROG Strix G15, and this is the Ryzen 9 5000 series 5900X. The 5900X is a revolutionary series that really amplified their performance and took their performance level to a completely different level, kind of almost gave the Intel processors a run for their money. Now if you have a look, this is the setup. Let me quickly, and these are my Oakley shades collection. That is my AGV Pista GPRR and this is a KTM cap. That's just joking, but anyway, this display is 300 Hz 1080p, and you also have a 2K display option which comes with 165 Hz, I believe. This is 8 cores and overclocked. It has a turbo mode. Okay, let me just press this. Here you have one key access to the Armory crate, and here you have all the CPU stats and the memory and the storage system configuration. And here you have the specs: Ryzen 9 5900X with Radeon graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 laptop, GPU this DDR6 6GB RAM, 192 bits, and I love the response time for this this thing is 3 milliseconds, 300 Hz display, and then you have the individual RGB lighting keys for this that looks super amazing and super futuristic. The neon lighting also has the underbody lighting. The chassis is really good. Here you have the RTX series sticker, the Ryzen 9 sticker, and this one has a cool feature. I think you might be aware of that. Just press on this to turn on the keypad, the number pad, and if you want to do away with that after using it, then you can just press it back and goes back. So it's really cool, futuristic laptop. It has good amount of ports. If you have a look here, we have two USB ports, and at the back, okay, having a look at the ports at the back here, you have a Thunderbolt port, you have a USB port, you have HDMI port, and you have the LAN port and a power socket right over there to charge. So the chassis structure is really sturdily built. This is how it looks in the dark. I mean, it looks super fun and futuristic, a proper gamer's paradise. And also you have this mouse that looks kick-ass, and the ROG series logo really lights up in the dark. So that gives a super premium feel when you are looking at it, and the performance is next level. Now, as I pointed out during my unboxing, the hinges are really sturdy, really good quality, and they are going to last you a lifetime. Here you have all the keys here. The best thing that I like here is the print screen key right over here. Is standard Zephyrus G15. You don't get a print screen button, but you get a print screen button here, so that does the job for us creators. You have the other buttons with the dedicated RGB lighting. Okay, so what do I think about the ROG Strix? Now, many people believe that the Zephyrus is one of the best laptops in its price range. It's a premium laptop, but given the specs, I believe this is a good buy as well. You get RTX 3060. It really does the job for you. Multitasking just happens just like that. You get 16 gigs of RAM. You get two slots for RAM, so you can I think bump it up to 32 GB with two 16 GB slots. And then of course you have the Ryzen 9 processor, top of the line, and 5000 series, which really set the game going in the processors, in the chipsets segment, and they really made a statement with their performance. I'm not sure about the new 6000 series, but this one 5900X is really cool. And the key travel, even the keyboard, when you look at them, the keyboard on this one, especially 2021 model, the key travel is really satisfactory. The feedback is really good, and the keyboard is really impressive. Okay, here's the big question. Why did I choose to come back to Windows after experiencing Mac? Now, Mac is flawless, no doubt about it. I'm not a Mac hater. I just wanted to try it out, and I did try it out to my heart's content. First of all, I love the build quality of the MacBook Pro. It is built like a tank, very sleek, very portable for creators like me who would like to travel and tour a lot. It is a perfect companion, but there are some limitations. You have to buy a lot of things separately. Say for instance, if you want to connect your smartphone, you can't just connect it directly. An Android phone, if you have an iPhone, things work seamlessly, but if you have an Android phone, things get a little wary. So you have to buy a software worth $1,000 just to connect your phone, to be able to read the kind of media that you have on your phone, and to be able to transfer it. So you need to have an exFAT formatted portable hard disk to be able to transfer files, because if it is in FAT32 format, it doesn't read, because that's for Windows. Now exFAT is universal for Windows as well as Apple. So my hard disk, 2 TB hard disk, was FAT32, so I had to buy a separate hard disk, and again format it in exFAT format, because I already had a lot of stuff in my older portable hard disk which I couldn't erase. Everything has a limitation on that, so that tends to rob you of the freedom and the time that you spend editing or finishing any kind of edits, be it photo editing or video editing. Another thing is Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro, I had a lot of expectations. I was hoping that it would really amplify the video quality to another level, but yes, it was decent enough. It had good codecs, and the colors were natural. Everything was good. It had good customizable LUTs that could be added, presets that could be added, plugins that could be added, but everything was getting a little too delayed for me when compared to my previous Windows editing software. So I moved back to Windows because that was seamless, limitless, without any worries or without any limitations. I could just freely go about my work, finish the work in half the time. So for Mac users, yes, it is still one of the best experiences, but for my kind of work, I feel Android suits me the best, and with this kind of a beastly performance, I believe I'm going to create some really kick-ass content coming your way in the days to come. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe.